or GDSC. Next slide, please. Okay, so let me tell you. So till the previous 10 years, GDSC was working under the GDSC program that was conducted by Google. But from now onwards, from 2025 to 25 tenure, GDSC is collaborating with the Google Developer Group. So the name will be GDG or GDG on campus. So if you see any changes on the Insta page, LinkedIn page, or WhatsApp community group, so don't get confused. Only the name has changed, but the club is still the same. Next slide. Let me tell you a little bit about Google Developer Group. So basically, it is a community of college or university students who are interested in the Google developer technologies. So all the students with the interest in growing as a developer are welcome to the community. So here are some highlights of the GDSC 2023 to 24 tenure. So we had secured the Tier 1 milestone in the Google Cloud Study Jam and the Tier 1 milestone in the GenAI Study Jam. Also, we had hosted a national level hackathon named as Devon, and we had organized numerous events like cybersecurity student jams, GitHub and open source, and Android Go. Also, we had organized coding contests in collaboration with the Coding Ninjas, that is CodeFest and MiniFest.
So, before we dive into
You are on mute.
okay, so before we dive into today's session, I would like to take a moment to introduce someone who has been a constant source of guidance and support for us. Meet a faculty advisor, Dr. Payal Garg, who has been in the field for 12 years of experience and expertise in the area of image processing and data security. Ma'am has always encouraged us to excel and have always supported us. Okay, so now it's time to introduce you all to the backbone of a GDG community, our incredible core team. At first, I would like to welcome our GDG campus lead, Meg Sharma, who has been a driving force behind all the initiatives.
Hello all, my name is Mahek Sharma. I am current GDSC lead of the tenure 2024 to 25. I am currently pursuing BTech and in my third year, I was an active core team member of the Google Developer Students Club in the past tenure, and I am selected as the Geeks for Geeks campus monthly. Also, I am associated with Catalyst India. And talking about my achievements, so I was awarded with Miss Rookie Gold Award 2023 for my outstanding performance in 1 year of engineering, and I'm a proud winner of Generation Tech Hackathon organized by JP Morgan and Chase. Also, I had qualified the Adobe GenSol Hackathon and reached the top 5 percentile. And currently, I am focused on enhancing my understanding of data structures and algorithm and web development. That's all about myself. Now over to our technical head.
So, hello all, I am Rudraksha and I am technical head for this tenure in GDG on campus. I am pursuing my bachelor's in computer science and engineering with artificial intelligence, and I am also technical head at the GFG student chapter. I am a passionate tech enthusiast and I am always ready to learn new things, and I am a keen learner. Currently, I am into web development, iOS, and I am learning DSA with Java, and I love to dive into new technologies. As a technical head, I thrive on collaboration, and I love mentoring my fellow mates and my juniors. I have also took sessions on multiple modern technologies like GitHub and much more. That's all from my side. So now we move on to our development team. I would like to I would like the development team to introduce themselves.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Tanya Sharma, and I'm currently in my third year. I'm the development lead for GDSC GLBITM for the year 2024-25. In my second year, I was a development member where I actively participated in hackathons like Mintra Hackathon and Smart India Hackathon, qualifying for advanced rounds in both. I also completed an internship at Orion TCS. At present, I'm working on a project named Char Dham Darshan Anubhav Avasmarniya, which is a project focused on crowd management and real-time weather updates and various other features. Recently, I cleared the first round of the Goldman Sachs Engineering Campus Hiring Program and the DE Shaw Edition for Training Program. The development team members for this tenure are Priyanshi Agrawal, Mayank Gupta, Rachit Srivastav, Harshita Dubey, Umar Khurshid, and Shiv Kumar Tiwari. Now, I would like Priyanshi from second year to introduce herself.
Hi everyone, this is Priyanshi Agrawal, second year BTech CSE student. For this tenure, I am the co-member of the development team. I have done quite a few projects including the Netflix clone, a personal portfolio, and currently I'm developing a website on the carbon footprint. I'm also at the position of the co-lead in the DAM team of the CodeSpace Club. Thank you.
Over to Mayank from second year.
Hello everyone, my name is Mayank Gupta. I am currently a second year CSE student. I am a full stack developer and I have worked on many projects like school management system and telemedication platform. Currently, I am working on a real time restaurant management system and Campus Connect, which is also open source, and I am eager to consistently developing into it. That's from my side. Thank you.
Now, Rachit from third year will introduce himself.
Hey everyone, myself Rachit. I'm in third year AIML. I've done full stack development from 1.5 years and built quite a lot of projects. And right now I'm transitioning into Web3 development, meaning learning blockchain and stuff. So yeah, that's all about me. Thank you.
Over to Harshita.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshita Dubey. I'm currently in my third year pursuing BTech in computer science in specialization with data science from Bajaj Institute of Technology and Management. I have joined GDSC core team in this tenure. I'm passionate about technology and have gained hands-on experience through various projects. I'm also a mentee in Catalyst India. I'm working on a project named Wanderlist, which is a travel website based on one stack. Currently, I'm enhancing my skills of DSC in Java and web development. Thank you.
Over to Umar.
Hello everyone, myself Umar Khurshid and I am currently pursuing BTech in Information Technology and I am currently in my third year. I am on a path to learn the full stack web development and I have various projects in vanilla JavaScript like weather apps and I am currently learning React JS and working on a social media app frontend and I am really excited to be the part of the GDG on campus, the core development team. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Shiv Kumar Tiwari.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Shiv. I make apps in Flutter and Firebase mainly. I've made several different apps for several different domains, one of which is Safer, which is for women's safety. Motofix is for mechanics all around the world, and Wellbiz is a medical assistant. I specialize, I actually want to build something which is actually useful to people around the globe, and I want it to be seen working. That's it. Thank you.
Our plans for this tenure are conferences and summits, diverse workshops and events. We will be organizing a variety of technical and non-technical workshops to enhance knowledge and skill development. Technical competitions. We will be conducting various competitions throughout the tenure. Personal project showcases, mentorship programs, collaborations with tech companies, hackathons and innovation challenges. We will be engaging students in competitions to drive innovation and creative problem solving, collaboration with other teams, tech talks, and webinars. Various sessions with industry experts will be hosted to learn about various technologies. Open source contributions, encouraging students to contribute to open source projects, skill development tracks, etc.
Okay, so here you had our development team. Now let's welcome our incredible AIML team. These individuals are forefront of innovation and bring AI and machine learning solutions to life.
Thanks, Rudraksha. Hello everyone, I am Vardhaman Gupta and excited to be the AIML lead for this tenure 2024-2025. I am currently a third year BTech student in AIML at GL Bajaj. I am an AIML enthusiast. Now I would like to introduce you all to my amazing team, Anjana Kumari, Paavni Singh and Ratnapriya. Over to you, Anjana.
Hello everyone, I am Anjana, a third year BTech student. I am thrilled to be a part of a GDG AIML core team member where I can learn my passion for innovation and technology. As a conversational AI explorer, I am fascinated by the NLP. In NLP to revolutionize human and computer interaction. I am also associated with the Catalyst India and a proud winner of Generation Tech Design Challenge 2023 organized by JP Morgan Chase and Co. Over to you, Panvi.
Hi everyone, my name is Paavni and I'm currently pursuing BTech in CSC. I have hands-on experience in machine learning and deep learning where I made several projects leveraging autoencoders, LSTM and GANs architecture. I'm currently working on a research paper to develop a better model for classification of schizophrenia, mental disorder. And I'm also leading a team in SIH where we are making a research-based model to colorize star images. Thank you so much.
Over to you, Ratnapriya.
Hi everyone, my name is Ratnapriya, a second year computer science student with specialization in data science. I am member of the AIML team at GDG. I am currently working on Drishyam, which is an innovative payment gateway designed to empower visually impaired individuals with secure transactions. And I am excited to connect and collaborate with like-minded innovators here. Thank you.
Now Paavni will guide you about machine learning. Over to Paavni.
Hello everyone. Today I'll be giving you a brief overview on how to start your machine learning journey. So first thing first is to get a good hold on your Python programming language. You all should be familiar with the basic syntax, and on a more important note, you should be well versed with functions and file handling, since most of the data that you will be using will be in the form of CSV files. Moving on, as far as maths is concerned, the maths 4 that you study in the second year is more than enough to help you understand the basic logic behind the algorithms of the machine learning models. So the next step is to learn about the tools such as Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn. These are essentially used for data manipulation and visualization. And I'd like to put a huge emphasis on the Pandas and the NumPy libraries since they're used to store your data. And if you're not good at working with these libraries, you'll most likely face tricky errors while working on your projects. So I'd definitely make sure to work on these. And once you're comfortable with the languages and the tools, we finally dive into the various machine learning algorithms. The ones that are listed down here are the most commonly used and the most famous ones, and they're more than enough to kickstart your machine learning journey. And as you progress, mastering machine learning techniques like feature engineering, hyperparameter tuning, these are useful in refining your models since there's not much you can do to change the actual algorithm. So these definitely help you in making your accuracy better. So at this stage, when you have finally gotten familiar with the algorithms and the techniques, it's crucial to make projects to apply what you've learned and testing out and solidifying your knowledge. So the roadmap then branches into deep learning, which focuses on your artificial neural network, your recurrent neural network, and your convolutional neural network. So the RNNs are basically used for textual data. PNNs are for your image data. So this is where the specialization occurs in computer vision, which handles the image and videos, and natural language processing, which deals with textual data. So at this point, I'd recommend reading research papers about various deep learning architectures to develop a better understanding, which is very much necessary when you start learning about deep learning. And if you want to take the research route, you can definitely apply for summer internships for undergrad researchers. They are held across various IITs and NITs. And of course, our college teachers are also there to help you. This is especially great if you're going to pursue an MS. So finally, this roadmap leads us to generative AI, which is a branch of artificial intelligence that can create new data, such as images, text, and what have you. And unlike traditional AI, which mainly recognizes patterns or makes decisions based on the existing data, it goes a step further by generating entirely new content. So to master this, I would recommend start with learning about already pre-existing generative models, such as variational autoencoders, your diffusion models, and finally try to make an end-to-end project using and experimenting with different algorithms and architecture. Thank you all.
Now Ratnapriya will tell you about plans of AIML and how we're gonna contribute. Over to you, Ratnapriya.
So we will be conducting workshops like art of prompt and how can you add AI in real life. And other than that, we have Gen AI campaign for learning generative AI. So Gen AI campaign forms had been shared to all of you. There is a course of 1 month, and the content is also new in comparison to that of the previous tenures. And you will get to know more about it by the end of this session. Thank you.
Okay, so here you had our AIML team, amazing members. So next up we have our cybersecurity team. This team ensures the safety and integrity of our digital products. So please introduce yourself.
Sure. Hi everyone, my name is Smit. I hope I'm audible to all. And so I'm a third year CSE student with a specialization in data science, like a lot of you guys here. I am a cybersecurity learner and I am the cybersecurity lead for this tenure at GDG. Talking about myself, I am an EJPT certified penetration tester. So that's like a hacking certification. And our team from GL Bajaj was placed top 10 across the country at Pentathon this year, which is like a hacking competition organized by the government of India. Based on our result, our team was actually invited to work on the NCII PC targets, which include premium Indian governmental technologies such as Bhim UPI and the Aadhaar interface. And other than that, I'm equally interested in development. I have developed a few Android applications. Our team at SIH this time is also targeting an Android application solution. Other than that, I have worked for a few web development clients, and also I'm writing two of my own security tools in Rust, which are still in development. I'd like to invite my teammates Utkarsh, Amrita, Arpit, and Digvijay for their introduction. So, Utkarsh, please take the lead.
Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsh Pandey and I am a third year student in computer science and artificial intelligence branch. I have recently completed a course in full stack web development in my data structure algorithm journey. I have solved over 200 questions on platforms such as LeetCode, Geeks4Geeks, and Coding Ninja. I also participated in SIH last year. Currently, I'm working on a project that generates captions for image using CNN and RNN along with other AI tools. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Utkarsh. Now I'd like to invite Amrita from my team to take the stage.
Hello everyone, I'm thrilled to meet you all. I'm Amrita and I love to wear many hats. Currently, I'm the president of Navrang Cultural Club. I'm also an NCC cadet. I'm also doing my honors in cybersecurity along with my bachelor's. I have done sub internships with the JP Morgan and Zscaler in cybersecurity. I also qualified for 2 rounds of JP Morgan internship, and I'm very curious by nature, so I like to deep dive in many fields. I was co-director of design and media team for Anvitha Club and convener of Poetry Avenue for Navrang Cultural Club. And my interests are in various fields, but cybersecurity, machine learning, and cloud computing take the lead for me. Great to know you all.
Thank you, Amrita. Now I'd like to invite Arpit, who is joining us from second year. So it's great to see his enthusiasm. So please, Arpit, introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I'm Arpit, second year BTech CSC student. I'm really excited to be a part of cybersecurity team and I am currently learning a lot about cybersecurity. Apart from that, I enjoy solving DSA question over online platform. Till now, I have solved over 100 DSA question on different online coding platforms combined. I have 3 star in C++ on HackerRank and I'm also a front-end developer. Thank you.
Thank you, Arpit. Now I'd like to invite my team member Digvijay, who was also my teammate at the team at Pentathon this year. Digvijay.
Thank you, Smith. Hello, everyone. I'm a third year bachelor student from GL Bajaj. I'm the core team member of the GDG cybersecurity team.
I am interested in cybersecurity and cloud computing. I have organized many events and workshops as a Beta Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. I am a proud finalist of the NCIIPC AICTE Pentathon 2024. Our team got top 10th rank among 8,000 participants all over India. Currently, I'm a cybersecurity intern at a UK-based edtech startup known as E1133. I hold some professional certificates like AZ900 from Microsoft, Linux and SQL from Google, Postman API student expert from Postman, network security associate from Fortinet, and many more. Uh, Thank you, and I'm happy to be part of the team. Over to you, Smith.
Thank you, Digvijay. So, guys, talking about cybersecurity, I think we all have a basic understanding of the fundamentals of cybersecurity, what it is defined as, what it stands for, and how it is to be practiced. But really, our vision here at the CyberSec part of the GDG at GL Bajaj is to extend some depth to this definition, to provide some hands-on experience that is not going to be useful only for the people who want to go ahead and get a job in cybersecurity, but to everyone regardless of their professional aspirations. Because as of today, cybersecurity is an undeniable reality each one of us has to face, whether we do it with a lot of passion or we do it with a lot of, you know, maybe motivation to stay protected. And uh, to that extent, I'd say if you think about cybersecurity, if any one of you is considering cybersecurity as a as a possible career path in your future, then to be precise and still give an introduction, basically jobs in cybersecurity industry are divided across a single line. You have blue teaming and you have red teaming. So taking the example, taking an intuitive example of maybe let us say we have a museum and there's this very valuable painting that we have to protect that is placed in the museum. So the actions that you take to increase the defenses of to increase the protection and the defenses of the museum is something that will be considered as blue teaming. For example, placing guards, installing cameras, some of the high-tech laser technology that we see in those movies. So all of that comes under the blue teaming part. And talking about the red teaming, it is just the act of testing all of that security you just employed. So, hey, I spent a ton of money in increasing the security of my company, but does it really work? And should I be waiting for a breach to happen to realize, okay, these were the potholes in my security? So, that is where the red teaming people come in. They test your security capabilities, whether it is your organization or your personal security, or maybe something as big as a multinational bank. All of it is tested to their full capacities to ensure that if there are any vulnerabilities, they are found and fixed before they reach the hand of a, of, of a bad actor, of a threat actor who is definitely going to use it for malicious purposes. So this was talking about cybersecurity in general, and if I try and explain what our plans for this tenure is, then I'd like to say that we have decided that we want to conduct two or possibly even more hands-on workshops. Uh, two workshops that we have thought for. The first one will be a basic hands-on workshop about Linux and networking in general, where we just try to clean our hands on all the features Linux provides us, especially Kali Linux, which is the OS of choice for cybersecurity professionals. And in the second workshop, we'll actually be visiting a few vulnerabilities and we'll be learning the tools we use to discover and exploit them. So both of these workshops and hopefully even more coming down the line are going to be really exciting. Other than that, if I had a great time learning Rust as a developer and as a cybersecurity professional. Rust proves to be just at the confluence of these two fields. And developing security tools in Rust, I believe, is an amazing pathway to learning both the fundamentals of cybersecurity and the intricacies of software development. So definitely, if the students show an interest, it would be great to hold a Rust tool development session with all of you guys, and not only uh, spread the knowledge that I have gained, but definitely also learn a lot from you guys. And definitely, as closing remarks, I'd also like to say that we plan to invite industry professionals at GL Bajaj to come and enlighten us with their information, and also hold Q&A sessions, so that all of the questions, all of the burning questions that we have about this field can be answered by someone who has been in the trenches for all these long number of years. And I'm really excited. My whole team, we are really excited to lead the cybersecurity front at GDG GL Bajaj, and we are hopeful for a great tenure from him. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Smith, and to the whole cybersecurity team for such an introduction and brief about cybersecurity. So, now let's welcome our next team, which is cybersecurity team. Competitive programming team. This group of problem solvers thrive on challenging problem solving and challenging algorithms on and data structures.
Hello everyone, I am Ashish Soni, a third year IT student in GL Bajaj. So I am very excited to be a part of our GDG CP team for the current tenure. So let me introduce myself to you. So I have solved a lot of problems in competitive programming and data structures and algorithm. So basically on Lead Code, CodeChef and Codeforces, these are the platforms where we can practices for our coding skills. So talking about my rating, so on Code, I have more than 1600 rating and I had solved 750 plus questions on Code. And talking about myself on the coding skills, so GFZ and Hacker Rank, Code, CodeChef, Codeforces, I have solved more than 500 plus problems along with other than the lead code. So basically, I had also a rank one holder in the Hacker Rank Hack Quest. That is a week contest where we have to participate in the contest whole of the week, and the securing rank is combined after the week. So talking about myself, other than this, I have also experience in web development, and also I am a founder of Codex community. So now let me introduce all of you with our CP team for the current tenure. So Dilpreet Singh from third year and Anshu Pandey from second year. So over Dilpreet Singh.
Hello everyone, my name is Dilpreet Singh. I am the third year student pursuing my BTech in the CSE. I am a passionate problem solver and been solving the problem for the past 1 years. I have hold the rank 9 patch in the lead code with a max rating of 1902 and have the current rating of 1850 plus. And I have been solved more than 550 questions on very different platforms, and I have also participated in various CP competitions like TVS Code Vita 11 and Meta Hacker, in which I hold the global rank of the 147 in TCS Code Vita 11. Other than the DSA, I am exploring the web development, in which I am learning the MERN stacks and currently developing the EPUB Reader web app. That's all about me. Thank you.
Over to Shivanshu Pandey from second year.
Hello everyone, I am Shivanshu, a second year student of CSEI branch with a strong passion for competitive programming and software development. I am thrilled to have joined the Google Developers Group GDG on campus as a core team member of the competitive programming team, where I enjoyed tackling complex algorithmic problems and collaborating with like-minded peers. My technical expertise includes Java, where I hold a 5-star rating on HackerRank, and I have successfully solved over 300 problems on various platforms like CodeChef, LeetCode, and HackerRank. Additionally, I am proficient in web development. I am driven by curiosity and desire to innovate, continuously refining my skills to contribute to impactful projects and open source initiatives. Thank you.
Over to Divyanshi Sharma.
Hello everyone, My name is Divyanshi Sharma and I'm a member of the competitive programming team within the GDG GL Bajaj. Currently, I'm in my third year from the branch CSAIML. I have a strong passion for problem solving and algorithmic challenges, and I look forward to contributing to the team's success while learning from this collaborative environment. It's a pleasure to be a part for such a driven and innovative community. Thank you so much.
So this is all about our competitive programming team for the current tenure. So let me tell you about all the roadmap, how anyone can start with the competitive programming. So introducing all of you with the arrays and hashing. So all of you very well know about arrays and hashings. So I will look to tell you that in competitive programming, when we talk about the arrays, so it is not about the arrays handling and arrays manipulations, insertion, deletions. We have also techniques to handle these. As we also know, array is the best memory allocation for the storing data. So how can we manipulate these? So this is comes under the competitive programming, and then we have to manipulate all these things in efficiently way. So here we are using other techniques to manipulate all these things. There are some things that combined with two pointers techniques, sliding window techniques, and greedy techniques. So two pointer technique is likely the two we are using two pointers in that and manipulate the arrays with efficient way. So reduce the time complexity. As we very well know about that, when the time complexity is very high, that the code part is very slow. So efficiently handle all these things. So we have to manipulate all these data structures very efficient way and a good way. So in arrays, we have also comes under the binary search sliding window. Other than this, there are other data structures like linked list, trees, graph, tries. So talking about now linked list, there are linked list, singly linked list, doubly linked list, and other data structure when we can create along with all these things. So after that, we will come under the other techniques like we can also handle arrays using recursions. Recursion is a very best tool to solving a problem solving in a problem solving. Recursion is a very best tool to the solve complex problems. Now talking about trees, so trees are there. There are trees like segment trees, red black tree, B trees, binary search trees, and other than the most efficient trees that comes under the current scenario of competitive programming, which is very used to in competitive programming contest right now. That is Fenwick tree. So now talking about the tries. Tries is a data structure which can store data string manipulation and string matching problems very efficient way. And other than this, we have also heap priority queue, which is also called priority queue. Basically, priority queue is a type of min heap and max heap, and in which we are talking about the data, how we can extract from the min heap and max heap. This is combined all the things. And now talking about the graphs. So graph is a very efficient way, like how graph is implement and when we have to implement, how we can implement and where we have to implement. This is the intuition where we comes in our mind how to implement the graphs in our data structures. So after when we are while solving we are problem, so that comes our mind through the intuition that here we are using graphs or dynamic programming or tries. So this is all about the technical skills that we build up during the problem solving. As I told you about that, I had solved 750 problems. That comes according to our experience. That our experience grows, then we will also aware about how we can manipulate all these things. So intuition comes while the practice is in. So I would like to tell everyone here the practice is more and more. So we can comfort on data structure and algorithm in CP. Talking about the dynamic programming is root cause of the recursion. Where we can see recursion, there is always a dynamic programming problem. As we have to optimize it very efficient way. So in efficient way, we can optimize it using a 1D DP, 2D DP in the problem. That is also telling this is DP. So this is all about competitive programming. So now talking about how the GDG community is constantly working on our fostering our GDG community. So our goal is to build a supportive community within GDSC and that focuses on learning and sharing knowledge related to competitive programming. Organize regular group problem solving questions and hackathon and other. As we also know that we had also organized a past Hackfest, that is also a competitive programming contest. So in this tenure, we also like to invite other all members to join in our contest. Like we have trying to be a national contest. This time. So everyone please join if you are comfortable and so experience and learn a lot with our GDG team. So this is all about CP team. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish, and to the whole CP team for introducing yourself. Now it's time for graphic designing team. Let's welcome our creative minds behind all that visuals you see.
Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Shavez Khan and I am a third year EC student. I am the team lead for the graphics and designing team and I have worked as an intern in BSNL AFPTC, Ghaziabad. I was the part of DAM team in Amrita Club last year and I am a graphic designer, a cinematographer, a videographer, a video editor and a web developer. Now I would like to invite Ananya for her introduction. Over to Ananya.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ananya Jaiswal. I am a BTech CSE undergrad. Right now, I am in designing team in GDG Tenure 2024 and 2025. Further, I am a designing intern at a startup called as Navrasa Groups, as well as a DAM member in Shrinik Club and GLBITM. And right now, I am learning and exploring the path of technology. Thank you so much.
Over to Akshay Pathak.
Hello everyone, I am Akshit. I am currently pursuing a Bachelor's of Engineering from GL Bajaj with a specialization in artificial intelligence. I am also working as a graphic design intern at Provider App, which is one of the startup implemented in the college itself. Also have hands-on and experience in some of the Adobe softwares like Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, and would like to create designs and visuals for according to my skills for the club itself. And happy to join the club. Thank you.
Over to Sakshi.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sakshi Srivastava, and it's an honor to be a part of Google's developer group for this tenure. Currently, I'm pursuing my BTech in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science branch. I'm in second year and I'm also a graphic designer. Currently, I'm serving as the design lead of Yuktikul Club of our college. Apart from this, I'm also a lyricist as I feel creativity in one form inspires another. I have also done web designing in past and worked with artists to create cover arts for their songs. And currently, I am working on web development. Thank you.
So, as the name suggests, graphic designing team is responsible for all the graphics related requirements of the GDG. Our role is to create visually appealing design for all the events and activities. We design posters, banners, social media icons, and pretty much everything for the team. Our work includes creating graphics for our website and other activities. We focus on creating design look professional and engaging. We are excited to commit our skills so that GDG could be functional. Thank you. That's all.
Okay, so thank you, Chavez, and to the whole team. Last, Thank you, Chavez, and to the whole team. Last but not the least, let's welcome our event management team. Without them, anything is hard to go. Because of some urgency, team lead Sneha is unable to join, so Divyam will be on charge now.
Hello everybody, I am Devan Srivastav, a second year EC student. I am also a part of management team in Yuktikula. And in the previous tenure, I was part of management team in Abhyuday and a co-editor in GLBMN. I am also a freelance UI UX designer. I would like to introduce my team. Due to some reason, my team wasn't here. So we have Kunal Sharma of CSC AIML branch. He is from third year. We have Nikhil Singh Negi. He is a EC Electronics and Communication Engineering student from third year. And our team lead Sneha from CSE AI. She is from third year. So the event management team, as the name suggests, the event management team handles the planning and execution of all club events.
They coordinate logistics, manage schedules, and ensure seamless event flow. From workshop to festivals, they oversee everything from setup to promotions. Their focus is on creating engaging and memorable experiences for participants. This team will be focusing on all the events and all the uh, hackathons we'll have, like the Devon and Hackfest. So yeah, would love to handle all that. Thank you.
Thank you, Divyan, for this brief introduction. So, thank you to all the teams for introducing yourself, and we welcome you all to this GDG tenure and would love to work together.
Okay, so now talking about Gen AI. So I hope you all have received the forms that we had circulated for the Gen AI Student Jam. So let me tell you a little bit about what Gen AI Student Jam is about. So first thing is that it is about learning the fundamentals of Google Cloud, and we can get the access of the exclusive courses on the Google Skill Boost platform, and we can expand our learnings and e-industry, and we can become industry ready. So after reviewing the academic calendar and keeping in mind about our exams, so I had chosen the cohort 1. That means you have to complete the course from October 1 to November 1. And one thing I would like to mention is that only the first 120 applications will be considered for the course, because I had seen the form response and many of you had not filled the Google Study public profile. So if your profile is rejected by the regional team, so in that case I will not be, I can't help you in that case. So and your wait is over. So you all were asking about the Google Gen AI Study Jam SWEX that was happened last year. So we will be conducting that event on the 4th October. So be ready for it. So that's it from our side. If you have any queries, you can ask.
Yeah, hello everyone. I am the faculty advisor, Dr.Payal from the CSC department. So I am very excited to see all the talented students and the passionates in the different fields. So we foster our innovation and share our knowledge to tag this community. We need all the cooperation from you all. So whatever the MAHAK is saying, you cooperate to all of us and to MAHAK also. Yes? Yes, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
successful and the inspiring journey I had for this club.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your kind
Thank
words.
you.
If you have any queries related to anything on GDG or anything, you may ask. The chat box is open for you all.
Can you please just forward the Gen AI form once again? I think I missed it.
Sorry, Smith, you are not audible.
Is it possible to please forward the Gen AI form once again? I think I missed it. I haven't filled it yet.
Yes, the form is open till 25.
The form link will be shared again, no issues. And
All right.
the last date of submission is 24th till 12 a.m.
Thank you.
Anything else from anyone? Okay then. Thank you so much all. Thank you for your time and patience. Hope we all have a good tenure. Thank you.
Thank you all.